Okay, so there's the head unit out. So there's your standard antenna. This one is for whatever it is, satellite. Here's your two standard that come plugged to it. This is for all your speakers and your constant power. And I assume this one over here, which I don't have a wire harness for, is for the steering wheel controls. There's nothing I can do with this one. But anyways, so this is one of the adapters that comes in the kit for your antenna, because you need one. So let's tuck this stuff out of the way, talk a little bit. All right, so what I had to do was up here, because the double DIN doesn't fit in here, and so I had to trim a little away. So I got my Dremel out with a thin wheel, a thin abrasive wheel, the ones that breaks really easily, and just trimmed, it seems like 2 millimeters out of here. I just cut from the bottom over here, cut a little bit higher all the way across, and just tried not to make it so these would fall out. And after that, there's a bracket that sits behind here that is a radio stabilizer bracket that's metal, and it just bolts up in the back there. So it's like 3 7mm bolts, and you pull that out and you kind of turn it and Jenga its way out of there and set that away because it doesn't fit with the double DIN no matter what you do with it. So after you get you're going to have to obviously wire up your new kit to the constant power, which is your yellow and black lines, and all of your speaker lines, your positive, negative, right and left, all that. And you're also going to need one more wire that they bring along with the kit, this one right here, for wiring up 12 volts to your 12 volt accessory line. And that one I took from the lighter that you can barely see down there. Right down there, the blue thing. I made a little junction out of 3 ring crimpers right there. You can see the Y to break into that line and break it out for a constant 12 volts. Now, I'm not really sure if there's a better 12 volt way to do it, but that's just what occurred to me. So all you have to do is just pull 12 volts out of there, and it's pretty difficult as far as stripping something that's that far back, so you can't pull the wire out itself. So I kind of had to find a spot to clip the wire and then use nail clippers to pull the insulation off and wire it all up. And with my big meaty hands, it wasn't a lot of fun, but either way, I got it done. And so let me think if there's anything else that was in my way on this. I took off that, cleaned off that. No, I think that's about all that I've faced. Oh, let's pull the head unit over. For this, any one that you want to do, I don't think that there are metal sides that you can get for these. I think it has to be the plastic. So that's what came with this kit. You got to be careful when you tighten down these nuts, or else one will break off. One of the tabs that goes into one of the nut spots. So I'll put it back all together here, and because I want to add in some features like I mentioned before, and then we'll take another look at it.